You guys are looking great. I can already see the progress you're making. Keep up the good work. If this is your first time visiting the Trongyan Workout channel, this is a 90-day home workout video series designed for beginners. You can start anywhere, and you don't need any equipment. If the intensity of this workout video is too much for you, please choose another video that suits your fitness level. Today's workout will focus on two different aspects of fitness: core strength and cardiovascular endurance. Core exercises are important for strengthening the muscles in your abdomen and back, which can help improve your posture, reduce back pain, and improve your performance in other activities. Cardiovascular exercise is important for improving your heart health, increasing your stamina, and burning calories.
I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
That's it for today's workout. Thank you for following along, and I'll see you in the next video.